Name's George. George B. my rapper. Please go vote for me. Support a black man. Alright. I call this one Killer Money. That's the name, baby.
Gravy boy.
Beats. YET.
Yeah. Shut up on the money, playboy.
Money.
I'm looking fly in my 46.
Money.
I'm looking fly in my 46.
Money.
I'm looking fly in my 46.
Money.
Time in my 46.
I can't live without my money. I need my money. I can't live without my money. I need my money. I can't live without my money. I need my money. I need my money. I can't live without my money. Oh shit. Stacks.
Yeah.
I'ma count my money till I go cripple. I'm Orlando Pirates. Triple. You can never even stop me. The hottest nigga in the scene, Mr. Bean. Like I said, something funny.
Charlie Sheen.
I run the whole show. I got money to blow. Money be blowing the money. Oh,
Paul.
yeah, I'm running on the bankroll. I know my roads. Stripper pole. Those rails running up like a mole. I'm on the ground, you gravy boy sound you. I go crazy, I go
retard.
My money's too large to fit even on my
ATM card.
Bitch, I go extra hard. Yeah. How about we back this thing up? Money. Money. Vampiri. I come back like an episode. I'm the Da Vinci, but don't ask me
the code.
I am swim weight like an A1 road. Bitch, I'm bold. Bitch, I'm cold. Yeah, the record's already sold.
Yeah. Like I'm a
It's stoned.
money in my blood vein. I don't make it rain.
Yeah, I'm making it snow.
Vote for a black man, go on Gem Vote. If you're too broke, just talk to me, then I can help you vote for me. Go on Facebook, Just X fan page. Let's get it.
What do you do?